Students, we are in Junior JEE Bridge Course program. In this program, yesterday we have calculated, we have discussed about allied angles. Now, today topic is compound angles. In trigonometry, trigonometry, compound angles, the sum or difference. The sum or difference of two or more angles. The sum or difference of two or more angles is called as compound angle. Is called as compound angle. So depends upon the compound angle formula. You can discuss sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b. Example, the compound angle means sum or difference a plus b, comma a minus b, a plus b plus c, a minus b plus c, like that. Sin of a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Second one, sin of a minus b. Sin of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Next one, cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Next one, cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. For sin and cos, the formula are different. Fifth one, tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Next one, tan of a minus b. The formula is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Seventh one, cot of a plus b. Cot of a plus b formula, cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Next one, cot of a minus b. This formula is cot b cot a plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. These are the compound angles formulae. There is no question of secant and cosecant formula. Cosecant of a plus b you can understand as 1 by sin of a plus b, and cosecant of secant of a plus b you can understand as 1 by cos of a plus b. Now, depends upon these compound angles, we can write the formulae of multiple angles. Multiple angles. Multiple angles. If an angle multiplied by a number k multiplied by a number k. Those angles are called as multiple angles. The angle called as a multiple angle. Example 2a, 3a, 4a like that. Next, submultiple angle. Submultiple angle. If an angle divided by a number, if an angle divided by a number k, the angle is called as submultiple angle. Example a by 3 in trigonometry formulas I am discussing with you here. A by 3, a by 2, a by 4 like this. Depends upon the compound angle. We can use the formula, or depends upon all these formula we can write multiple angles and submultiple angles also. Now let us write 2a formula, later 3a formula, depends upon these compound angles. Depends upon these compound. Observing these formulae, I am discussing with you all 2a formula. Now, Roman number 1, sin 2a I am writing here. Sin 2a you can write sin of a plus a. Using the formula sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, we can write here sin a cos b. Sin a cos a plus cos a sin b. So you can write this one as sin a cos a plus sin a cos a. Sin a cos a plus sin a cos a. So you can understand this one as 2 sin a cos a is most IMP useful formula in everywhere in mathematics. Sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. First one. Second one, cos 2a. Of course, sin of a minus a becomes 0. Don't need to write. Don't put here a plus a. Here no need to put here a plus b. If you write, it becomes 0 simply. So now cos 2a I'm writing. Cos 2a you can write as cos of a plus a. Here using the formula cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, you can write cos a cos a. Cos a cos a. Cos of a plus b formula here. Cos of this is minus 2x. Cos of a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is plus. Cos a cos a minus sin a sin. Cos a cos a minus sin a sin. So cos a into cos a becomes cos square a, and sin a into sin a becomes sin square a. Cos square a minus sin square a. That implies cos 2a is equal to cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Third one. Of course, depends upon this cos 2a, we can write another formula. Another formula also. This is called as the formula cos 2a in terms of cos and sin. Now we can write using the formula cos 2a, cos square a formula 1 minus sin square a, because using the identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Using cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a and sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square. So cos 2a is equal to, I am writing instead of cos square a 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. Therefore, you can write the formula cos 2a as 1 minus 2 sin square a. Cos 2a as 1 minus 2 sin square a. Next, also. This is called as formula of cos 2a in terms of sin. Next, also we can write cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus of, instead of sin square a you can write 1 minus cos square a. Now I am writing here 1 minus cos square a. That implies cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a. Cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a. So you can write this one as cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So cos 2a having three formulae. First one is called as in terms of cos and sin, and second one is called as in terms of only sin, and third one is called as in terms of cos. So you can understand cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, and cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a, and cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1 also. Now depends upon this one, we can write third formula tan 2a. Tan 2a. Using the tan of a plus b concept, you can write tan 2a as tan of a plus a. Tan of a plus a can be written as tan a plus tan a, because this is of the form tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. You can write using the concept tan a plus tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a. Tan a plus tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a. So tan a plus tan a becomes 2 tan a by 1 plus tan a into tan a becomes tan square a. Therefore, now you can write the formula tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. This is the formula of tan 2a. Now we can discuss about cot 2a also. Third three formulae completed. Let us discuss the fourth formula. Depends upon compound angles. Fourth formula depends upon compound angles. Cot 2a. Cot 2a is equal to, using this cot of a plus b formula, cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Now you write here cot a minus 1 by cot a plus cot a. Cot a minus 1 by cot a plus cot a. You can write this one as cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. Cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. That implies cot 2a formula cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. This will be useful later. Keep aside, put a star mark here. Depends upon this one, we can write sub formula also. Now you can cross multiplication here. 2 cot 2a. 2 cot 2a is equal to, right here cot square a minus 1 by cot a. Cot square a minus 1 by cot a. Now you can understand this formula as 2 cot 2a is equal to cot square a by cot a minus 1 by cot a. cot square a by cot a minus 1 by cot a. So next one, 2 cot 2a is equal to cot square a by cot a becomes only cot. Cot a minus 1 by cot a becomes tan. This is a formula, useful formula. 2 cot 2a is equal to cot a minus tan. Now cot 2a is equal to like this. Cot a minus tan. 2 cot a minus tan is equal to 2 cot 2a. Remember, as a formula depends upon this one. Another formula we can complete. Cot a minus tan. Cot a minus tan a is equal to 2 cot 2a. Let it be the first equation. Now depends upon cot a and tan a. Roman number 2, another formula I am going to discuss with you. Cot a plus tan a. Cot a plus tan a, we should write as, that is equal to cot a, you can write as cos a by sin a. Cos a by sin plus tan a, you can write as sin a by cos a. So that is equal to, take LCM here, denominator becomes sin a cos a. And take an LCM, numerator becomes cos square a plus sin square. Cos square a plus sin square. You can write this one as 1 by sin a cos a. 1 by sin a cos a. You do one thing, multiply and divide with 2. You can write 2 by 2 sin a cos a. 2 by, just today, first formula in first Roman we discussed about the multiple angles as 2 sin a cos a formula as sin 2a. So 2 by sin 2a, that is equal to 2 cosec 2a. That is equal to 2 cosec 2a. Therefore, another formula I want to discuss with you, that cot a plus tan a is equal to 2 cosecant 2a. Cot a plus tan a is equal to 2 cosecant 2a. And here we got cot a minus tan a is equal to 2 cot 2a. Cot a plus tan a, we got 2 cosecant 2a. That is a second formula. Cot a plus tan a is equal to 2 cosecant 2a, and this is the first formula, cot a minus tan a is equal to 2 cot 2a. Now we can discuss first formula and the second formula. We can add and then we can subtract to get the sub formula. Now 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. So cot a plus tan a, you can write like this. Cot a plus tan a is equal to 2 cosec 2a. This is a formula. And next you write like this, cot a minus tan a. Cot a minus tan a is equal to 2 cot 2a. Simply add cot a plus tan a and cot a minus tan a. Add simply. So tan a and tan a becomes get cancelled. You can get here 2 cot a is equal to 2 taken common. So here you can write 2 cot a is equal to 2 cosec 2a plus 2 cot 2a. That implies divide with 2, it becomes cot a is equal to. So sometimes we may get the formula like this. Cot a is equal to cosecant 2a plus cot 2a. These formulas are useful in objective. Cot a is equal to cosec 2a plus cot 2a. Now you can do, now I am writing 1 minus 2. Tan plus 1 minus 2. It becomes cot a and cot a will be getting cancelled out. Tan a minus of minus becomes a plus, and 2 cosec 2a minus 2 cot 2a. So you can get here 2 tan a is equal to 2 tan a is equal to 2 taken common 2 into cosec 2a minus cot 2a. 2 into cosec 2a minus cot 2a, that implies tan a. tan A is equal to cosecant 2A, cosecant 2A minus cot 2A. Tan A is equal to cosecant 2A minus cot 2A. Here we got some formulae. Now another formula is there, depends upon tan. So sin 2A formula we have discussed as 2 sin A cos A, and cos 2A we have discussed the formula as cos square A minus sin square A, and tan 2A we have discussed as 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Now we are going to discuss about tan formula for only sin and cos. Only sin and cos. Everything depends upon the compound angles concept. Now, Roman number 3. Let us write in this first one. Sin 2A you take. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Already we have learned. Next step I am writing. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A whole by 1. That is equal to, you can write 2 sin A cos A whole by, for this one you can write cos square A plus sin square. The identity in yesterday or day before yesterday class we have learned that cos square A plus sin square. Now divide by cos square A to numerator comma denominator. For numerator and denominator we are dividing with the letter cos square A. So here you can write 2 sin A cos A by cos square A whole by, separately I am writing as cos square A by cos square A plus here sin square A by cos square A. So cos A cos square A will be getting cancelled. Now you can understand this formula as sin 2A is equal to, here 2 sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A becomes a tan A, and cos square get cancelled as 1 times, and sin square A by cos square A becomes 1 plus tan square A. You can observe that the formula sin 2A we got in terms of tan. In terms of tan is that 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Wherever the formula in terms of tan or in terms of cos, in terms of cos, in terms of sin, wherever the formula asking you way is there, then we should follow the way that if he is asking formula of sin way in terms of tan, we should say this one. One thing you observe that tan to a formula 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A, and sin to a formula 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Just plus and minus difference is there. Now in this one, second formula, we can write here cos 2A is equal to, general formula of cos 2A is cos square A minus sin square A. That is equal to, in the next step you can write cos square A minus sin square A whole by 1. For that one you can write here cos square A minus sin square A whole by cos square A plus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A plus sin square A. Now you can write divide by cos square A to numerator and denominator. Divide by cos square A to numerator comma denominator. So for everything I am writing cos square A. You can write cos square A by cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A by cos square A by cos square A plus sin square A by cos square A. Cos square A get cancelled. Therefore, you can write now the formula cos 2A. The formula cos 2A is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. The formula cos 2A is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. It is IMP formula. Depends upon this one. Secant 2A is equal to reciprocal of cos. You can say here 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. This is the formula of secant 2A. And using this one, you can write here 1 by sin 2A as cosecant 2A. Cosecant 2A is equal to 1 plus tan square A by 2 tan A. 1 plus tan square A by 2 tan A. This is cosecant 2A. So 2A formulas we got as in terms of tan for sin, cos, tan and cosec, sec. For cot also 1 by tan becomes cot and 1 by cot becomes tan. You can use the formula cot 2A in terms of tan, tan 2A in terms of cot. And in the similar way we got the sub formula for cosec 2A minus cot A. Everything we got now. Depends upon multiple angles we have discussed. So depends upon multiple angles we can use the submultiple angle formula. Now let us write the submultiple angle formula. Example. Now I am going to discuss with you that simply sin A. So sin A can be discussed as sin 2A by 2. So here beside of sin, beside of n, this indicates angle. 2A is indicating angle of the sin. Sin 2A formula we had written as 2 sin A cos A. What we are doing here 2, but dividing with 2. So in the similar way, right side also we should divide. What is left and what is right? So left side is sin 2A and right side is 2 sin A cos A. There for A also you should divide. The formula is 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Now sin A I am writing that this is a 4th comma. Sin A you can write sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Whatever the formulas now we have left, for every formula we can say the submultiple angle sin A. Now let us going to discuss about cos A. Cos A is equal to cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. Cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. Third one, students, in the similar way, for cos A we got 3 formulas. Of course, here also for sin 2A we got, just we proved that sin 2A has 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Now you can understand sin 2A is equal to, not sin B, sin A. Sin A is equal to, whenever you are dividing 2 here, you should divide with the angle, not here students, don't get confused. 2 tan A by 2. 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. For this one, another one cos A we have written 1 minus 2 sin square A for cos 2A. In the similar way, you can understand here 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. And in the similar way, you can write cos A is equal to 2 cos square a by 2. 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Next one, tan a. Of course, tan a is having the formula 2 tan 2a formula 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So it becomes 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. We got cot 2a as cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. By saying that one, you can write cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a by 2. There we got cot square a. So here cot square a by 2 minus 1 by 2 cot a by 2. We got there cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. So cot a also we got. In the similar way, we can apply cosec a and secant a also by using the submultiple angle concept. So 1 plus tan square a by 2 by 2 tan a by 2. These are called as submultiple angle. 8th one, secant a. Secant a is equal to 1 plus tan square a by 2. 1 plus tan square a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. 1 plus tan square a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. Regarding this secant to a formula, secant a we have discussed. We can discuss now. Depends upon this secant a. Secant multiple submultiple angles. In multiple submultiple angles, we have discussed now submultiple angles. And sub formula for submultiple angle we can write now. We used the formula cot a plus tan a is equal to 2 cosec 2a. So now we can write cot a by 2 plus tan a by 2 is equal to 2 cosec a simply. And in the similar way, we can write cot a minus tan a by 2 we got as 2 cot 2a. So now you can write cot a by 2 minus tan a by 2 is equal to 2 cot a. By adding these two, we can get here 2 cot a by 2 is equal to 2 into cosec a plus 2 into cosec a plus cot a. So 2 get cancelled. You can write cot a by 2. Cot a by 2 is equal to cosecant a plus cot a. This is a formula. In 5th, this is first one. Using this formula, if this one minus this you can do by subtracting, you can do 2 tan a by 2 is equal to 2 into cosec a minus cot a. 2 into cosec a minus cot a. If we divide with 2, it becomes tan a by 2 is equal to cosec a minus cot a. These are the sub formulae. And depends upon cos 2a and sin 2a. Another formula, Roman number 6, we can write, students. Roman number 6. Let us discuss here. Sin a by cos a is equal to tan a concept. Here using cos 2a. Cos 2a formula 2 cos square a minus 1. You can discuss this one as 1 plus cos 2a minus 1 taken this one. It becomes 1 plus cos. 1 plus cos 2a is equal to cos 2a. Therefore, cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a whole by 2. Keep aside, it becomes cos a is equal to plus or minus root of 1 plus cos 2a whole by 2. In the similar way, I am writing cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A in terms of slide. 1 minus 2 sin square A. So that implies 2 sin square A taken left side becomes plus and cos 2A taken right side becomes minus. 2 sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos 2A. Now you can write sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos 2A 1 by 2. That implies sin A is equal to plus or minus the root of 1 minus cos 2A 1 by 2. Now, sin A by cos A by T. So, I want to discuss with you the formula tan A is this one by this one. So, it becomes plus or minus root of 1 minus cos 2A whole by 1 plus cos 2A. That implies tan A. Tan A is equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos 2A by 1 plus cos 2A. Plus or minus root of 1 minus cos 2A by 1 plus cos 2A. Now, by taking this reciprocal, we can get tan A is equal to plus or minus root of 1 plus cos 2A by 1 minus cos 2A. Depends upon this subformula. This another Roman number 7 we can put using submultiple angle cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. So, minus 1 taken this side becomes 1 plus cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2. Everything is needed here. Cos square A by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos A by 2. So, cos A is equal to plus or minus cos A is equal to implies next step I am writing to you cos A by 2 is equal to plus or minus root of 1 plus cos A whole by 2. 1 plus cos A whole by 2. Next one, similarly, cos A. Similarly, we can using this one. Similarly, the cos 2A formula, cos 2A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. So, cos A you can take 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. So, you can write now 1 minus cos A is equal to minus taken this side. 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 sin square A by 2. So, sin square A by 2 is equal to sin square A by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos A whole by 2. So, now you need sin A by 2. Sin A by 2 is equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos A whole by 2. Now, I want to discuss with you that sin A by 2 by cos A by 2 is equal to plus or minus root of this is concept sin A by 2 by cos A by 2. So, 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. That implies we got tan A by 2. Tan A by 2 is equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. In the similar way, by taking reciprocal, we can say that cot A by 2 is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. These are the multiple and submultiple angles we got. Multiple and submultiple angles we got. We have learned in this class. In next class, multiple angles 3A formula is there. 3A and submultiple a by 3 angles also there. So we can discuss the 3a and a by 3 formulas depends upon the formula total. Plenty of sums are there. Until exercise C concept I have discussed with you. So let us continue the topic formula sums in next class.